G'day, James here again, another episode of Tree TV. It's been a little while. Just down here on the Kingston foreshore, and I was actually just walking along, having a ham and cheese toasty, minding my own business. Came across this Zelkova. Now its common name is Japanese elm. It's not a true elm strictly. It's not strictly an elm. However, it does very occasionally get Elm Leaf Beetle coming over and having a bit of a feed. I haven't seen it very often, and that's why we're going to do this video today. Now, those of you who have your English elms and your golden elms would probably be familiar with Elm Leaf Beetle and the damage that they can do. But if you're unfamiliar, we'll show you a quick little thing. So there's not a huge amount of damage, but I'll try and pick off a leaf here. Okay, so there's 3 fat Elm Leaf Beetle larvae having a good old time, and you can see how they skeletonize the leaf. This sort of damage, when it's really bad, will cause the leaf to die, turn brown, fall off, and a bad infestation, this across a whole tree, can defoliate a tree and really cause it some damage. This level of damage on this particular tree probably wouldn't do anything. It's not really a big deal. I just wanted to show you because Elm Leaf Beetle on a Zelkova is quite rare. But if you've got an English elm or golden elm and you think you've got an Elm Leaf Beetle problem, get in touch with us. We've got a few ways we can deal with it.